Welcome to the Discover Theme Check-In. I'm Jessica, Checkfront Site Builder Specialist. While all Site Builder accounts come with awesome features like full mobile responsiveness and search-friendly pages to increase your visibility, each theme is a little bit different. The Discover theme was designed with tours and activities in mind and is optimized for single-day bookings. Let's have a look at a finished website before going over what you'll see while you're building your site. In this demo site, you can see a hero image, a feature block, a call to action block, and a gallery block, along with a testimonials block and an Instagram block. Jumping back into the Site Builder editor, let's go over what each content block does. Discover's gallery block displays up to 5 images in a mosaic. When visitors click on the image, they will pop up into a scrollable modal and reveal a title and description for each image. The inventory search block provides a space to search for specific dates. The search will lead to your inventory page, filtering out for any items that are unavailable on that date. Discover's feature block showcases up to 3 key ideas through an image, title, description, and hyperlinked button. Like all other themes, you can showcase or promote up to 6 items using the featured item block and include up to 3 sections of text using the testimonials block. In Discover, testimonials are set up to show one at a time and auto-scroll. The code block allows for extra flexibility. Advanced Site Builder users can code for things like special text or iframes to display YouTube videos. If you're not familiar with HTML or JavaScript code, try consulting Google to find some great resources. While all themes can be configured to display a map on item pages and contact page, Dash also has a location map block that can be formatted to display up to 3 locations. This theme also includes an Instagram block, which is available on most pages above the footer. It pulls the latest 6 images from your Instagram account. To connect to your Instagram, you'll want to generate an access token, which is explained more thoroughly in the documentation at support.checkfront.com. Found on your item pages, the item parameter block allows you to highlight specific details about your item's parameters and prices. You can add up to 8 values here. In the Discover theme, certain content blocks are constricted to certain areas of your web page in order to make designing your website easy. If you're looking for more flexibility, another theme, like Nimble, might be better for you. Each site builder also comes equipped with a blog, contact us page, and ability to integrate your social media so that customers can find out more about your business. This has been an introduction to the Discover theme. For more information on Site Builder, check out our knowledge base at support.checkfront.com or email our team and we'd be happy to help.